we have put up this plant, this godown, because most of the farmers had some problems in obtaining the cattle feed from Surat. So now we have once again put up the godown over here, and we'll be catering to entire Goa. So the farmers will be getting their cattle feed within 1 or 2 days. Earlier they were getting it in a week's time. Now they are getting it in 48 hours. We have only one godown. This is our exclusive godown.
But now we can ensure the farmers of Goa that at least we have the buffer stock at godown at Goa itself. So I think this would help for a better coordination between farmers and the dairy plant. They will also get some benefits, farmers, and plant will also be benefited because farmers are at ease, that they are ensured that feed is there. So this basically this is for farmers of Goa.
सुमूल सध्या दिसाक 11,000 लिटर दुधाचे कलेक्शन करता. आनीक 2 म्हयन्या भितर ते 15,000 करपाचे टार्गेट. 70चे 80% दूध कारखाने सुमूला कडेन. सुमूल आता दक्षिणेतूय लक्ष घालतले.
We are collecting now around 11,000 liters per day, and in the next 2 months we will be going up to 15,000 liters per day. Sattari, we have almost captured around 80% of the farmers here, and now we are going down to South Goa, and I think South Goa also they are getting a very good response. Netravali and as well as Salshet, both the places are giving us very good response. So we will be increasing by 5,000 liters in these areas.
गोंयांत सुमूलाक सरकारान हाडला. सुमूल दूधकारांक फोडटा म्हूण गोवा डेअरी बोवाळ मारता. मात सुमूल ते गजालीचेर उलोवंक सोदिना.
As far as Goa Dairy is concerned, we have nothing to say because we are entirely different. We have been brought forth by the government of Goa, and we do not have anything to say regarding Goa Dairy. We do not want to comment on any of the allegations.
सुमूलान दुधाचे कलेक्शन आनी मार्केट दोनूय कव्हर करून विस्तारपाचो प्लान केला. एक तालुका करून दूधकार सुमूलाक वता ते पळयल्यार गोवा डेअरीक कोल्हापूर बेळगांवच्या दुधाच्या टँकरांचो चड आदार. प्रुडंटा खातीर महादेव जोशी.